What's up, Gearheads? Welcome back to Hammerhead Gearhead. Have you ever had those moments wherein you're in the middle of doing something and you just think, I wish someone would invent blank to make this a lot easier, or maybe to make the experience a lot better? Or maybe you're in your car and you're stuck in traffic, your mind wanders, you're ruminating. Suddenly it's like, why hasn't someone invented blank, right? For example, a car horn that when you hit it, it also blasts its sound backwards. Or maybe a collar that you put on your dog that would translate whatever he's barking. Wouldn't that be cool that you could understand him if not communicate with him? Well, I've had a lot of those, and for the longest time in production, I've always wanted a microphone wherein when you put it on top of the camera, it would record sound that's coming from the front and from the back. For those shoots wherein I'm pointing my camera at something and I'm narrating, or I have an interview and I want the sound from my interviewee and from myself as well recorded at the same time. Well, Deity just came out with that. So this is the Deity D4 DUO, which does exactly that. Record from the front and from the back at the same time. It's the microphone that vloggers have been wanting or needing and not knowing that it's actually possible. So today we are unboxing this and doing a quick review. Alright, so if you guys haven't yet, please do like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get updated when I have more episodes wherein I unbox and do a review just like this one. So, let's do it. Okay. Let's cut off that tape first. You have the manual. And when you open it, you have the yellow TRS cable. I love that yellow colorway. And then here you have the mic itself. There it is. The V-Mic D4 DUO. So here is the mic, and you can see it comes with two dead cats or windscreens. The box calls them furry windscreens. Right now, holding it in the middle, I have to say it's very well balanced. On the website, it says it weighs 40 grams, so that's very light and shouldn't be cumbersome to put on your camera or wherever you want to use it. And when you remove this, you can see the two capsules. The front obviously is longer than the one in the rear. And there you go. Let's talk about the dual capsule a bit more. So now I have the D4 DUO mounted on my Z50 vlogging rig. So this is the Nikon Z50 with the 16-50 DX pancake lens. And I have installed on it the SmallRig V50 vlogging mount or Cage Pro. So what this does, it enables me to bring down my monitor and see it unobscured because the rig offsets the tripod mount to the right, because otherwise I will have to mount the tripod here, so rendering the monitor useless. So if you're gonna get this V50 vlogging mount, rig or cage, make sure you get the Pro version because the vanilla version doesn't allow you to change batteries on the fly. So I picked the Pro version. So to better discuss, I will first remove the dead cats. So the audio that's picked up by the front capsule goes into the left channel of your audio, and then the recordings from the rear capsule goes into the right channel of your audio. So this means that you will need some processing to single out either track. A feature that Deity put into this that I really like is that they reduced the gain of the rear capsule. Why is this impressive? This is because they had the foresight to know that when you're using the rear capsule, holding the camera, narrating and pointing it at things, the camera itself and the microphone is closer to your mouth, so the audio is stronger. So they reduce the gain compared to using the front and pointing it at an interviewee or a subject that is further away. You need your standard gain. Or when you turn it around and you vlog, it's still further away from your mouth, so you need more gain at the front than at the back. The D4 Duo doesn't have any gain controls, much like the Deity D3 shotgun microphone, so you will have to rely on your camera's internal microphone volume adjustment. Also, it doesn't require any batteries. This is why it's good for vlogging, for traveling, which is perfect because that is really what it's made for. It also has a switch that disables the rear capsule. So when it's turned off, the front capsule takes over both left and right channels of your audio track. It also has a 3.5-inch audio input that allows you to use another recording device, say a lapel or lavalier mic, to replace the rear capsule. Just make sure that the rear capsule is enabled via the switch for this to work. This is good for situations wherein you're having an interview and you want clear audio that's coming from you who is the interviewer, or for a wireless system, or for backup. So your front will go to the right channel and the lapel will go to the left channel, and you can choose either. Okay, let's do a sound test. So now you're hearing my voice via the S-Mic 2S. It's a higher end shotgun microphone from Deity, and it's connected via XLR cable into my mixer. Now, you're hearing my voice through the Deity VLav or lavalier lapel microphone that's strapped to my chest. I normally use this as a backup. So it's also connected to my mixer and going into my Nikon Z6 as well. Then, now you're hearing my voice from the rear capsule of the Deity D4 DUO. And finally, you're hearing my voice from the front capsule of the D4 DUO. For the final test, I wanted to take the D4 Duo out for a spin and through the ringer of an actual shoot. It just so happens that I've been planning to do a studio tour, so this came at the right time. So I used this exact rig to film that for my series called The Lowdown. So if you want to see the full episode, you can check it out here. But generally, what you're gonna see right now are clips from that, from outdoor to indoor, and pointing at things and pointing at myself. So check this out. So welcome to my YouTube studio. As you can see, it's really small. It's just a room. I have kept the air conditioning on so that you have a reference for how good this microphone is, the D4 Duo, when it comes to background noise, and also because it gets very hot if I turn it off. My main light is the Godox SL60W. It's an amazing light. I'm really impressed, and it's a fraction of the cost of the Aperture 120D with an Aperture Light Dome 2 modifier without a grid. So up here are mostly my photography and underwater books, nature books. Everything is right there. Then down here are all the art books. So I used to sketch and paint, so most of them are right here. They are guarded by these two Megatechs from Quicks, the OG and the Ghost Mode. Okay, so now you're hearing me from the Deity VLav lavalier mic that's strapped to my chest, and it's connected to the input of the Deity D4 Duo. Okay, so this is right outside my studio, and that's the black backing. Another layer of thick black fabric to seal off and prevent the outdoor natural light from going in. So now it's raining, as you can see. And this is how the D4 Duo does with the rain in the outdoors. And there it is. One thing I want to note is that during the sound test, I didn't apply any post-production to any of the tracks from any of the microphones, except of course the volume level to make sure that everyone was on the same playing field. But based on those tests, you can hear the crisp and the great audio quality that the D4 Duo can give you. And this is impressive, especially for what it is and how small it is. As for weaknesses or improvements, I really don't see any except for a bit of a nuisance, which is when I install the dead cats like so. Let's say I'm on the move and they're on like this. They're a bit of a hindrance when I have to look for the input jacks, or they could push the switch accidentally. Plus, they also shed, so they're making my allergic rhinitis act up. But other than that, it's a well-made product. From here on out, the D4 Duo will be a permanent fixture on my vlogging rig. So I'll be using it with my Nikon Z50 and Insta360 when that arrives. At $89, it is such a steal and such a good investment, especially for the features and the quality of audio that it can capture for you. So if you're thinking of buying one, it's shipping on August 13, please use my Amazon affiliate link in the description below so I can get a bit of support for my show. You can also check out my work on Instagram, Noel Guevara Photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.